I am Dr. Ben Tidy. My work involves the study of hygiene. Hygiene, you know, keeping clean and healthy. I'd like to share some of my findings with you. After all, we can all use a brush up on hygiene. Germs are amazing little organisms. Now, keeping them under control is the key to cleanliness and health. In other words, the key to hygiene. Let me show you what I mean. Germs are tiny living organisms that can be seen only through a microscope. Now, germs are everywhere. And I do mean everywhere. Germs can invade plants. They can be found in and on dogs. And people, too. Germs are found in the foods we eat. And even in the air we breathe. So let's learn more about germs by looking at the germs on this kid's hand, shall we? Bacteria are tiny, one-cell organisms. They manage to find nutrients, that is, the stuff they need to live, wherever they are, on a dog's fur or inside the human body. Most of the time, we can handle germs with no problems at all. But sometimes they can make us sick with sore throats, ear infections, pneumonia, and even cavities. But not all germs are harmful. Some germs are good for our bodies. They help keep things in balance. Helpful bacteria live in our intestines and help us use the nutrients in the food we eat and make waste from what's left over. We couldn't make the most of a healthy meal without these important helper germs. So you see, some germs are good, but some are really harmful and can make you really, really sick. There are certain illnesses that you can catch from other people. Now, contagious illnesses can be passed on from one person to another through germs. Now, how do germs get from one place to another? Well, there are several ways. Many germs can be easily transmitted by the skin, inhaling, or touching your eyes or your mouth. This is called a droplet spread. Think of what happens when you are standing next to your best friend and she sneezes. The germs are released into the air, which you breathe in. Now, the germs are inside you. When Nina blew her nose at the cafeteria table, she became a droplet spreader. Some germs escaped and got into Sandy's soup. Now, when Sandy eats her soup, besides vegetables, she's eating germs, too.